My dog almost burned down my house. I had the fire department and everything in there putting out the fire that was on my stove. If you have a gas stove and a dog that can reach the counter, you need to know about this trick. So the problem is that dogs like to jump up, especially in an area that there's been food, and if they jump up and they hit those knobs that are on your gas stove, that's typically along the front of the stove on a gas stove, they can turn on the gas and they can also ignite the flame and start something on fire potentially. So the way to solve this is to stop the knobs from being pushed in. And luckily for all of us, there is a great device out on Amazon. Here it is. It's a simple clip that fits behind the knob and keeps it from pushing in. I've got a link down below so you can pick these up on Amazon. So this has happened to us twice. The first time the dog got up there and just was able to twist it far enough that the gas was on and the house started filling up with gas. We were there and we smelled it and we were like, what's going on? And we realized what had happened. The second time it happened, she actually got the gas to come on and the igniter to sit there flickering to the point where it started the flame. The flame started something that was sitting in a pan on fire, called out the fire department. The Atlanta Fire Department came and put out the fire. Thank you, engine company number 13. But we quickly learned how important it is to have a device like this behind those knobs. This was probably made for kids, so if you've got kids, this is important too. But probably more important for dogs because your dogs are home when you're not home. They could start the house on fire. They could start the house just filling up with gas, and then who knows what might happen. So extremely important to have these things. So if you've got a dog and you've got a gas stove, definitely go out. It's totally worth it to save your animals and save your house and possibly even save your neighbor's house with this tiny little piece of plastic.